Today we are making a spooky, kind of gory Halloween fault line cake. Welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. To start out making this zombie cake, we obviously need a cake, and I've just frosted it black. I'm loving black this Halloween season. It's so much fun. And remember, like I said, I have a tutorial on how I get my black buttercream. Just click right there and you guys will be able to find it. To start out, we're doing a fault line. I've done more fault lines before where I've used an actual cake comb that kind of made the fault line in my cake. Today, I am gonna show you how to do it without the cake comb. And we are gonna put a little strip of black frosting right across the middle of our cake. And then we're just gonna get sprinkles and we're gonna start pushing them onto the sides right where we put that wet buttercream. All right, but the thing with our sprinkles is a lot of times you get sprinkles, you have the big bobbles in your sprinkles. Take those out and even take out the medium-sized ones because I didn't. I definitely should have, but take out the bigger sprinkles, the big circles and the medium circles because you will thank me in a minute. All right, so just push those sprinkles up around the side of this cake. And now we are gonna fill our piping bag. We just have a piping bag. I didn't put a tip on it. I just cut a little bit, not a huge hole, but just kind of medium. And now we're just gonna start piping around these sprinkles. We'll start at the bottom and we're just gonna pipe around the bottom. Just keep going until you hit the sprinkles. And then we're gonna space, go up, and then kind of start again at the top and then go down until right before the sprinkles, or you can hit a little bit at the top of the sprinkles like I did. Now just get your spatula and kind of smooth it out a little bit and then get your cake comb, and we are just gonna scrape around the sides. This is why I told you to take the bobbles out of your sprinkles because you won't be able to get around it without catching those sprinkles. You can see I'm catching a few of the sprinkles because I didn't take some of the bigger bobbles out of mine. It's more the medium sprinkles. I did take the big bobbles out, but make sure you don't have a lot of big circles because you're seeing as I'm making this the rounds around my cake with my cake comb, you can see that it's just kind of going, and make your buttercream thicker just so that you guys can get around that without hitting those sprinkles. Now that our cake is smooth, it is time to add the zombie hands. I just got these from Wilton and they're so much fun, you guys. And we're just gonna stick them in the fault line where our sprinkles are and kind of have them coming out so they look like they're kind of crawling out of that fault line. Now that we have the spooky zombie hands, we have to have a spooky drip, guys. So I just have some red candy melts and I'm just putting them in my glass bowl. I put about a half a cup and then I'm putting about 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. We're gonna pop that in the microwave for 1 minute, bring it out and mix it to a good consistency. Then I'm gonna put it in my squeezy bottle and we are going to get some blood dripping down this zombie cake. We also have to add a little bit of blood down by, the fingers. So right in the middle of the fault line, yeah, I'm gonna put a little blood there just to make it extra spooky, guys. Look at this fun spooky cake. Now we gotta add a little bit of buttercream to top off this spooky fun cake. So I just have my tip 4B and I'm just gonna do some green swirls. To do our swirls, we're just gonna start and just count 1, 2, 3 and lift off. 1, 2, 3, lift off. Last but definitely not least, we have to top this spooky cake off with some eyeballs. I got these creepy eyeball gumballs and we're gonna top the cake off with these just to make it that much more spooky, guys. So we're just gonna set those gumballs right on top. Make sure that you put these gumballs on fairly quick after you put those swirls of buttercream on top because the buttercream will harden up a little bit and you won't be able to get them on there. So make sure to stick those while it's still soft. Look at the spookiness of this cake. You guys, it's kind of creeping me out. I don't know, do you guys like spooky cakes? Let me know in the comments if you like cute or spooky cakes. This cake is kind of creeping me out, but in a cool, awesome way. I hope you guys love it too. Thanks so much for watching here as we made this seriously spooky zombie cake here at Shalise Bakes Cakes. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and have an awesome day.